Hi! In this video I'm going to work on creating allotment gardens, a charming addition to the diorama. Two concrete Stelcon plates form the starting point. From here I build a path leading to the allotments, using Fluela paving tiles. These are some details that I made from styrene. The tiles look far too new. I want them to look weathered and aged, so I start painting and damaging them. Once I'm satisfied, I move on to creating the ground layer. Here and there, I also add a bit of turf. Now it's time to start placing the details. In a box of spare materials, I found some bush flowers. I repainted them to make them look more realistic. I placed the flowers and vegetables in the first allotment. The third garden plot will also be actively cultivated, so of course it will contain various plants. In the areas where vegetables will grow, I build up small amounts of soil so the plants can be positioned between them. Then I continue adding greenery step by step. I build this up gradually to maintain a good overview of where I want vegetation and where I don't. Along the edges of the gardens, I add scratch-built wild growth. I want to make the second garden look overgrown and neglected. At the entrance to the allotment area, I set up a waste disposal area. And of course, bins and containers can't be missing there. However, I want them to look weathered and dirty for realism. I add various weeds next to the scratch-built wooden fence. The fence has clearly seen better days, with a few missing planks here and there. Detailing is a very enjoyable part of the process, and of course, you can go as far with it as you like. Here, I apply some mud texture paste to create the right ground surface. I decide to install a fence line along part of the allotments. And here's the result so far.